Just a little warning, I am doing this for the first time. I shall use a bowl, non-unodized salt, measuring cup, smaller bowl, autofocus grater, some fermentation glass, cabbage tears, kitchen weight, cutting board, carrots, and ginger. Wait, ginger? What the hell is it? Oh yeah, ginger, it says in the cookbook, okay. Alright, let's get to it. Firstly, I clean the carrots. I cut off the bottom and the top, and then I undress them thoroughly. You can use as many as you want. I used about 7. Afterwards, I measured the carrots. It's important so that I would know how much other stuff I should put in. Then it was ginger time. I decided I did not want the outer bits, but it's perfectly fine to leave them there. Then I decided to deconstruct the carrots. You can cut them into quarters or into smaller bits by knife. I just thought this would have much more flavor. Oj, kurwa. Co to? I was committed to the deconstruction, so I deconstructed the ginger too. The ginger weight should be around 3 to 4% of the carrot weight. Then you need to add salt, and salt should be around 2 to 3% of the carrot weight. Then I added sesame seeds, which are optional, and the total weight should be around 1.5% of the carrot. And lastly, the cabbage tears. It is a very important ingredient because it contains the bacteria that will start the fermentation. The amount is perfectly fine to be about 100 milliliters. Right. Then I mushed everything together. Then I squeezed it tightly into the glass. And ta-da! I added some extra weight on top, just to be sure that all the carrot is under the water at all times. After putting the fermentation valve on, it was ready. Now you sleep, my little prince. There. 3 weeks later. Each week I tasted the fermentation, and after 3 weeks I decided it was ready. Now let's hear a genuine reaction. Strong. As you can hear, I really liked it, and I intend to use the fermented carrot as a side dish or when I make a vegetable salad. And again, to stop the fermentation process, just put the carrot in the fridge and it will last about half a year. That's what I read anyway. And that's it. I'm black.